Hi, just a short video today. I'm just going to show you this little project I've been working on, which is a driver board for large 7-segment displays, such as the 4-inch high displays. This is meant for common anode displays, and it has a serial input. It's based off TPIC6B595, which is basically high power, 74HC595. So it's compatible with an Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. I'll just show you a completed board. You can see you got data input here, goes it to your chip, and then you got an output here. So this can easily be daisy chained together, just like so. So you can build a display as large as you like. These are your output pins. You got your two anodes there, your anode supply, and then your outputs. Like I say, it only works with common anode displays. I will be selling these on eBay. I'll just show you a quick video of a friend of mine who has built a clock based on one of my previous projects and using these modules. I'll just show you that now. And also the clock. And also the clock that I built. Right, now back to it. As I was saying, these will be installed on eBay, and I've also got on my blog site as well, where you can find some data sheets and that sort of thing, general information. So you can see the web address is there. I'll also put in the link down below. And these are just ideal for building very large displays for clocks, primers, that sort of thing. They'll drive displays that can't normally be driven directly from a microcontroller or even a basic 74HC595. So this is a high power shift register, which will provide up to 500 milliamps for the entire chip. I think even each output's 500 milliamps, but obviously not all at once. So, brief overview, you got serial data in, your clock, your latch, that's etc. Anode supply, which in this case I based it off 12 volts, your 5-volt input, which supplies your 5-volt T logic. Anode supply, like I said, right out there, that goes to your display, and then your segments there. And it's simple as that. The version 2 board will have mounting posts. This is the version 1. So I've decided in the version 2 I will put mounting holes in the corners. I will also swap the data in and out around. So the data will come in at that side and go out at that side instead of in at that side. I know what that side is at the moment. But yeah, I've got several of these which I've got made. So I've got some leftovers here which I will be putting on eBay if you want them. All links will be down below. Yeah, thanks for watching.